Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see WinRAR game install guide. Extract all pods. I show you guys how to do it. If you doesn't have WinRAR archive installed in your PC, then check my video description for this link. Select the link and this site will open up. Under latest WinRAR, you can able to see English option. Select it and it will start downloading. After getting download and select the downloaded exe file and install it guys. After the installation done, the game pod files will be WinRAR archive. Now just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Under virus and threat protection settings, turn off the real-time protection and select yes, and just to minimize this page, select all the pod files in right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder, double click on setup, select more info and select run anyway option over here. Select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And then select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. And check all these and select install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Then go back, turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select a finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.